record on this. I hope the YouTube videos are clear for you. So hi everyone, this is the third or the session 3 for build it yourself training or bootcamp. So today we are going to continue with the VS Code IDE and the Python. Yeah. So what was the questions again, Marina?
You answered my first question. For my second question, when we want to run an input, I didn't really understand input, output, and then like the output when we actually code it. Okay, let's say we put an input of, for example, making the code print out a message, blah blah blah. I didn't understand how you write an input and then have the output.
Can you give me an example so I can
I'll-
explain you?
okay.
You want me to give you the share option to share the screen?
I think I saved this, but it doesn't show. I saved it somewhere, but I don't think I can find it anymore. Anyway, I just want you to explain the difference between how to code the input and then the output.
Uh, I think with an example, it would be easier for me to explain it. So just if you came into the exam, any of the examples, now when we are working on the projects, you can see if you have a similar code which is having inputs and outputs, and then we can reach and discuss how it works. But from the general point of view about inputs and outputs, let's imagine that you have a device which is collecting the temperature, for example. Okay. And what you want to show is, let's say that the device is doing the temperature in Fahrenheit. And you know that the common standard in here in our region is Celsius. So imagine that this device is collecting data, it is storing it in the database or whatever, and then you write a Python code and you fetch this data. So this is the data, the input will be in Fahrenheit, correct? Then you will do some
Yeah.
processing in Python. You write something like let's say that you will write a function, and this function goal is to change the value from Fahrenheit to Celsius, and then you show it as an output. So this is a full example here in real life.
I'm gonna send something on chat
Okay.
over here. This is a coding. Is the print over here that we put as the input favorite animal, right?
Now you define a variable and you call it favorite animal, and you
Yeah.
input what is your favorite animal. What does input what is your favorite animal mean? It means
They're
that
asking.
it will show in your terminal what is your favorite animal, and whatever value you give after this will be it will be the value will be the value of the favorite animal as a variable. You got me? You
Okay.
have a favorite animal as variable, and you are asking the user to input something, to input a
Yeah.
value. Once he type the value, it will be assigned to the favorite animal. Now, when you say print your favorite animal is and the favorite animal, the first,
That's output,
yeah, this is
right?
the output exactly.
Okay.
Whatever is in the parentheses of the print is the output.
Okay, and then always for the quotations, you always put for the quotations as what the reply is, and then the variable without quotations, right?
You are right, correct. Yeah, because the variable is holding a value, and the print will understand that you want to show the value of the variable.
And do we always have to put a comma after the quotation before the variable?
If you have multiple variables, between each variable and variable, you need to put a comma here.
Okay. Thank you.
No, it is. Okay, so are you able to see the projects? And
Yes, I picked one, but
okay,
do I have to open a new file before putting it in the terminal? Putting the code in the terminal.
what do you mean, Daniela?
And no, let me show you. Can
Okay,
you give me?
I think Marina is having the host, Maria, please assign Daniel as host. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so this is the thing. Should I open a new file here? Or do I just insert the code here? No, like I open a new file, صح?
You open a new, exactly, just make a new file.
Okay.
It will be this is in the same space, in the same workspace. Okay, Jeff. No, you can't put a space in the file name. So it should be, you can put an underscore if you want a space. So Jeff underscore dot UI.
Oh, this is the project
Sorry?
this is the project I picked from the PDF.
Yeah, so write dot .py, so it will be a Python code. It should be having a py.
Oh, okay.
Rename it again. Yeah, rename. Down. Dot .py.
Okay, I ran it, and this happened.
Okay, you want to install something, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so just share again. So you don't type it here, you type it up in the search, go to the search. Sorry, you can, you have the three dots after.
Here?
No, you have run. You have run and you have the terminal in the three dots. No, in the top, the file, that selection view, go run on the left corner.
Here?
Left
Oh,
upper
left, sorry.
file, edit, selection view, go run. Then you have the three dots.
Oh,
The three dots. You click on the three dots, then you choose a terminal. New terminal.
menu.
And then you type this pip install whatever.
Yeah.
No, you type it in the terminal down, Daniela.
Oh,
Down,
okay.
you're able to type. And then enter.
Okay.
It will start installing now.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Uh, Good.
Yes.
Okay. This is how you install something from the
Oh, okay.
yeah. Whenever you see pip install, then you need to use the terminal. So you
Okay,
have
thank you.
choose the movie by, correct?
I choose the
Yes,
yeah,
creator. Okay.
yeah, the movie part.
Okay. So you will just open the source code, or how you will do it? What is your plan here? To open the source code, correct?
Yes.
Okay. That would be good. So you can see that in the source code you have multiple objects. You have the GIF creator, you have lakes, PNG mountains, PNG movie, GIF, whatever. So what you can do actually is you can download the full folder, which is the GIF creator. Okay. By the way, the page that opened when you go to this is the GitHub. This is what we are going to discuss next week. This is GitHub, okay? This is where you
Oh, okay.
will install. So let's see. I will try to do it first. I will share my screen so you can see what should be done. Just give me a second. I will share my screen. Please give me the host, Daniela.
Yes, 1 second.
Okay, I am the host. I will share my screen. I will share. So this is it. This is the project. This is Jeff Creator, correct? I will bring the VS Code here. You can see the VS Code. You can see my screen.
Yes, I can.
Okay, super. So I will just close this. I will close this. I have two folders in my workspace. So what I can do, see this, I can come to here and I can click on this, I believe. No? Okay. And from inside, I can click here and I say, oh, how we do it, how we do it, how we do it. Was request, I think. New request. Okay, no, right. Mm, mm, just give me a second. I need to remember actually what I can think we can do is code, yes, download. Okay, so I want to download, but let's go inside. So there's this. Okay, no, okay, we go back. Sorry, code, and we say download. Okay, so I think that should be okay. We go here. We open the file that's loaded. Came here. Okay, I click here. Python main. Okay, so now you can see my screen, correct? I will open this
Yes, I
code
can.
here. I will put it here and I will put this here. Okay, and then I will just, I think, drag and drop this here. No, it didn't work, really? It should work. Okay, so I will create a new folder. I will name it. So this one. Get, no, I want to create in the workspace. Okay, I can say, no, no, new folder. Why is coming on the one? Yeah. Okay, file, open folder, sorry, file, open folder, okay. We go to downloads and we go to, wait, I need to take this out. So I will go here. I will say copy, okay, and I go, for example, to projects. I go to stack. Okay, here I will paste, I will say new folder, Python projects, okay, and I double click and I will paste here. Okay, so now I have my project here. Cool. All the projects in this, so I can just copy this one here and I say, but I want only this diff creator. You copy the path from here and then you go file, open folder, and I'll just put the path here. Enter. Okay. And select folder. It's saying you want to save your workspace configuration, save. Okay. I will just save it here, for example. Okay, so now I have changed actually the workspace. You saw what happened? I changed the workspace. This is the new workspace now because I said open folder. Is it clear?
Yes, thank you so much.
Now, just give me a second. I will show you. We go to get the creator, and we say run. Okay, it's saying there's some error. Module not found. No module immediate. Okay, I think I need to do whatever you have did. So I go to the here and I copy this. Where is it? Move the right. I say build in summary right. Okay. Then I come into the terminal, new terminal, I guess the bill, I enter. Okay, so it's installed. Now let's let it finish first. Okay, things are done. Building, installing. So hopefully everything is good. I think now we can run. Wait, this image is okay. Like to fix issues, we say wait, okay, it's installing. So see now it was having an error. The error then why? Because I have installed this library. Now I run. Okay, something is saying something, but let's clear the terminal. So how to clear the terminal? You click here and you say no. Okay, let me close it. Okay, and I run. Okay, now it's saying see. I think let me just slideshow mountains. Why it is not able to see it? Explain this later. I want to understand the relation. It's saying image append trans like most recent last file, whatever. The line 10, this is line 10. Okay, image append, this is the issue here. It's saying image append file now. This file for file name and file names. It's taking the file name over here, the file name image, it's like to mount in the DVD. Okay, I just do something. Why I can't. It's like, just make this late. Okay, I want to see this. What we need, it's not able to see this. Let me say that other than image slideshow. Let me say just mount in the DVD. Let's okay, and this is the small. Okay, let me just run now. Create on what is it? It is saying now trace back again line 11. Okay. Immediately it is saying return file. Stack value or all input arrays must have the same shape. Okay, there's something in the shape. Okay, wait, we go back again. Now I frame this. Run. Let's see what is the error here again. It is saying file not found. Okay, no such file, which is image slideshow. Okay, so what we can do. I understand now. It is saying image slideshow. Okay, there is no image slideshow. Let me just again remove this. And I remove this. And I remove this. Okay, so this one is available. This one is available. This one is available. Okay, now I read this. I run again. It is saying all input arrays must have the same shape. Okay, now we can go to our friend ChatGPT and ask him to help us. So I can go. I say chat OpenAI. Okay. I will minimize this and then we tell him that see the power of ChatGPT. What I will do minimize this and I will just take a snipping and And in this snipping, I should have the okay, so I have snapped the screen. I come here and I paste it. I can tell him that I am writing this Python code and it is raising an error. Can you help me to fix the code? Or they should follow the code. Let's see what he will say. And then I take it. Let's see. So I give him the code, I give him the error message. The error you are counting value must have the same shape. So just that the image you are trying to combine into a GIF have different dimension, width, and okay. Here you how you can resolve. Check the dimension of the image, confirm that they differ, resize the image to ensure they save the size image into your GIF. This resizing can be done using any tool. Using Imagio, really. Use the number under the hood, so you first see the images, then check the okay. Okay, too much things you give us. Okay, so he is saying that we need to resize the images. What I can do, I will do one thing. Okay, so I have these images. You can see that this image is 1028 by 432. And this one is 390 by 280. And this one is 390 by 280. So this is the issue actually, this one. So what I can do, I can come to any imaging tool. Okay, I have this tool. Now what I can say, I want to resize this image. Resize, okay, and wait, what is the dimensions here? 390, 280, 390, 280, okay. So 390, 280, so let's type here 390. Okay, but it will not be enough, so I can type 280, okay. So by now we have the 280, what I can do, we want 390 by 280, so I do like this. And this is, and then I crop. Now I have this image is the same size, then I save. Okay, now we go back and we delete this and run the code again. Now we have another error. Okay, I've done something. It's saying, see the error that we are having, now it is gone. Now we have another thing, okay? So it's saying duplication warning, starting with behavior dysfunction of the switch, whatever. It is only a warning, so it is not something critical. What I want to say is it's saying image, okay, something is happening to the image. Let's see. I don't see anything happening. What it will do, import image, file name, show file name, image, append image. So we have the mountains, we have the lake, and it should save it in movie.gif. Where is movie.gif? This one. So this should be, see, this one is a GIF. You understand what happened?
Yes, I did.
Okay, awesome. So this is only a warning, it's nothing. Let's bring in other images from the internet, okay? Let's say
Okay.
what you suggest me an image. What should I search for?
Like another landscape image.
What is that?
A landscape image.
Landscape.
Yeah.
Image, and we set the size to be the same. So we go to images, okay, and let's say I go to more in Google tools. I go to size. I say I want a medium size, or let's say I want an icon size. Okay, so okay, it's showing me this, so I can go here. What I can do to make everything easy for me, I will just do snipping. Okay. So I will just take this and I will snip. Snipping means that I will have the same dimensions for sure, okay? So I will snip this exactly, okay? And I will save it. So here is it, I will save it, okay? And I will save it in the same file that we will have in the code. So I'll just go here, I'll copy this, okay? And I will name this, I can say image 1, okay? So it is saved, image 1, so we have image 1, okay? And what I will do also, I will take this one now. Okay. So this is the second one. Okay, and I will name this one. I will name it as image 2. Okay. And then I will go to the Python code. Let's check our folder first. Okay, so I have now, oh, where is image 2? I saved it in another place. Sorry, let me do it again just because I'm not sure where I saved it. So I will snip this again. Yeah. And this will be, I think I saved it. Why didn't name okay, to the creator? So I'll name it image 2. Okay. Now we go to our folder. We have image 1, we have image 2. Let me refresh. Okay, so image 1, image 2, okay? And I will go to the code. I will say here image 1. You can see it appeared in the structure of my folder. Image 1 PNG. Okay. And I have image 2 PNG. Okay. And I want to make movie 2. Okay. And duration is 1. No. Okay, save. Okay, all input arrays must have the same. I go back. I think the issue is this one is 288.273 and this one 285. Okay, I go to this one. Okay, let's go here. I open with Excel view. I make this one image. What is the resize? I will say don't do ratio, don't do resampling, do resampling. I'll make this 285 by 275. Okay. I'm saved. So that's saved. Okay. So this one is 285 by 275. Now I go here, I open with Excel view. I make image, resize, I remove the ratio, and I make this 285 and this 275. Okay, save. Okay. Now I come here, I clean this, I run. Now it's fine. Let's go here. We have movie 2. If I click here, sorry, it is showing me. Okay, I'll open with the Excel view. See, now you have your GIF. Nice.
Yes, thank you so much. And also, I wanted to ask in this code, like, can you explain what all the words mean? Like, as this being an example, can you explain what the words mean?
Yeah, let's look at this. So, first of all, it is importing image IO. What is image IO? It's the library. Okay, and where did we install this library from? We installed it from this link. When you did bib, when you did bib install movie by, it is a library. A library, it means someone have written too much code, okay? And he wants you to use this code, okay? Meaning, if you see here, image.io.imread, this is a function which is available in this library. And this function, what it do, it read a file, okay? So since we have two files here, we need to loop in them. So we need to read the first file, we need to read the second file. Okay, so here I have defined my directory of files. So I said this file names is my directory and it's equal an array. So this parentheses is an array parentheses. And array can have multiple, like in mathematics, an array you can have multiple slots, correct? So the first slot is having image 1 name and the second slot is having image 2. Okay. Now we define another array called images, okay? Now what we want to do, we want to insert in images, we want to append, but we want to read it in this function. So I think this function will do some process on the images. You got me? So this imRead will read the file, which is image1, and do some processing, and it will add it then to this images array. Append mean add. So it read the first one, it add it to this one, and it goes again, it read this one, and it add it to this one. And after that, what it will say do, we have another function called memsave. Mem, I think mem means the mem, the meme. Okay. And then you give it a file name for the output. This is why your question, Marina, this is the output file. And then you say this function will take four parameters. One is the file output name. It will take the input array. It will take what type of file you want. So it's a GIF, and what is the duration between each image. So if you increase this to, I can say 3, okay, 3 seconds. I think it will be. So I will delete now this movie 2. Okay, and now we generate. If I run now, okay, it created a file. Now I go and I open the file again. Okay, you will see that the movement between the images will be slower because you have increased the wait time. Somehow, yani. See, it is acting in different way. No, so this is it. To be able to understand this, you can see when I hover above it, it's saying this memsave parameters. It will take an URI. Okay, in this case, it will take URI can be a file name also, so it's the file name. Then it will take sequence of NumPy arrays. So this is the array, okay. And also, sorry, it will take a format, okay. So what is format? The output format, and then it will take KW arguments. To know what is KW, further keyword arguments are passed to the right. C.help to see what the arguments. So there is a help or documentation for this function that will help you to understand what is this. Okay. If you click on control, you can go inside the library. See, I go to the definition of the function again. How I did it? I go back. I clicked on control, then I clicked on the function. Control, and I click on the function, then I can see the actual code. See, all this code is written for this function only. You got me? Easy? How?
Yes, thank you so much.
Okay.
In the course, the Python course, we're gonna learn like these terminologies وهيك
Yeah,
فنفهمهم.
exactly. If you go through the online course, because I will not do it, you need to do it.
Yeah.
So that will let you understand what exactly all this is.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Okay, Marina, have you choose the project?
Yeah, I chose the one from number to words.
Which one? Number of words?
Yeah.
Okay, so we go. Let me just open the project. So I go file, open folder. Number to words. Select folder. So I switch to it. Yes, I trust the author. If we go to the code, okay. So what do you do?
Sir, how do you have these downloaded from where?
I go to GitHub again. This is the GitHub link. Where did I get this GitHub? If you go in the Word file, if you click on source code, okay, it will take you to a page. This page, you just go go to the main folder, and then click on code, and click download ZIB. You with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Once you download, you will have the folders. Once you have the folders, you can go to the VS Code and you can just file, open folder, and choose the project that you want to open. So let's see what you have written here. You have written some documentation saying number names. Show how to spell out a number. Okay, so let's say that, let's run it, see what will happen. Okay, so there's a module that we need to install, it looks like. Where is that? This num_toward. Okay, so if you click here, it's missing. If I say click quick fix, okay, num_toward. Import num_toward view problem. Okay, where should I get this from? Wait, let's see if they have. This Python makers build the numbers. This Python code will help you support more than 1 million inputs along with numbers that like 5 import could not be resolved. Report missing numbers. So there is a missing import here. Wait, if I say okay, so to install it, you do web install num_toward. Okay, so we go here, we go to terminal, new terminal, and I do web install num_toward. Once this finish, then you will be able to see that the error here will go. Let's see. So installing, it is done. Now installed. Okay, see, now the error is resolved, so I can delete. Now I can run. Let's see what will happen. Okay, another error. It is saying the error is couldn't open num_toward number.png. Why? Where is this number.png in the code? In which line? It's saying in line 57. Line 57 here it's saying number. We remove this because we have it directly. You know what is the issue? It was expecting a folder called num_toward the number. I removed because we are having it directly. Then I just saved and I run again. I delete this, I run again. Now it should work. Okay, what happened? Do you know what happened? It opened for me a GUI. This is called a GUI screen. If I enter a number like 1, 2, calculate 12. If I enter 1, 2, 0, 120. If I enter like 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 100 billion. It helps you to say the numbers that are very long. Okay, I continue. 100 billion, 100 quadrillion, 166 billion. I don't know. Okay. So this is your project, Marina. You need to go. Actually, I don't have that much time to go through the code, but we can discuss it for sure in our next call. But it's a long code actually. But for sure, part of the code is to show the GUI. You got me? See here is defining
The
a GUI is a screen, a window screen. So when I run this window screen, is called the GUI. This window here. He give the window a label num_toward. I think it's here. Enter a number. See, this is enter a number. You put it here. So this most of it is the designing of the GUI. This is GUI for Windows. You can have it for mobile app that will be different. I mean the coding will be different. You got me?
Yeah.
So this is it for today, I think. I'm really sorry that we are short on time today, but yeah, I hope you have learned something. I will stop the recording for now. And hopefully we can meet next week. Where is the stop to record? Stop sharing first. Okay, then I stop to record.